Health professionals have long held the view that we should limit our dietary intake in the hours before bed. Before sleeping, eating or drinking would add extra calories and raise the risk of diabetes and cardiovascular disease. This may be true if you eat a smorgasbord right before stumbling into bed, but researchers are now discovering that eating lesser amounts of certain foods, such as protein, before going to bed can have advantageous physiological effects. As a result, drinking something calming before bed is not only a relaxing habit, but it can also enhance your sleep and, depending on what you drink, even aid in weight loss. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing bedtime drinks that can help you lose weight. Before we begin, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video to help get more views. 1. Ginger tea. Indian food frequently uses the root ginger. It contains a lot of gingerols, an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Gingerol encourages your body to drive food through your stomach and small intestine at a much faster rate, aiding in faster digestion of the food. This can lessen the number of calories and carbs your body absorbs from the meal you eat. Additionally, gingerol may stabilize blood sugar levels, stop hunger sensations, and deter your body from storing excess sugar as fat. 2. Greek yogurt protein shake. Both calcium and tryptophan, which are found in milk, warm or cold, have been demonstrated to enhance the quality of sleep. Whey and casein are two more types of dairy proteins found in milk. Whey protein is frequently consumed by bodybuilders after workouts since it rapidly increases muscle mass. However, casein protein is a slow-releasing protein that is better suited for long-term muscle growth. The International Society of Sports Nutrition indicated in a position paper that consuming casein protein, 30 to 40 g, before bed can sharply boost muscle protein synthesis and metabolic rate throughout the night without affecting lipolysis. Greek yogurt is an excellent casein source. Before going to bed, a Greek yogurt shake provides a good amount of casein protein, which provides a constant release of amino acids for muscle repair. 3. Cinnamon tea. Dalchini or cinnamon provides numerous health advantages. Although cinnamon and honey are said to aid in weight loss, there is little solid scientific proof to back up this claim. According to a short study, cinnamon cinnamaldehyde promotes the body's thermogenesis, a process that increases calorie burning. According to a different study, cinnamon may aid in weight loss by reducing the negative impact that eating fatty meals may have on your body. 4. Chamomile tea. A well-known sedative, albeit a weak one, is chamomile. It raises the body's glycine levels, which are a neurotransmitter that calms your nerves and induces sleep. Chamomile is also helpful for soothing an upset stomach. A nice cup of chamomile tea is the ideal way to unwind before bed. Additionally, connected to better glucose regulation and weight loss are chamomile teas. Researchers have discovered 4 substances in chamomile that, when combined, can control how quickly carbohydrates are digested and how quickly sugar is absorbed. 5. Lemon ginger drink. Lemon and ginger have been shown scientifically to aid in weight loss. These are the 2 most potent and highly effective medicines for fat melting and weight loss. Ginger and lemon juice added to tea or juice promote weight loss and the burning of excess fat while increasing metabolism and immunity. 6. Grape juice. Before night, drink a small amount of 100% grape juice to promote fat burning during sleep. According to research, consuming simple carbohydrates, like those in grape juice, causes the release of insulin at night. The circadian rhythms of the body are regulated by insulation. Additionally, grapes are a rich source of antioxidants, which change white fat, which stores calories, into brown fat, which burns calories. That's it for today, folks. If we left out any bedtime drinks that can help you lose weight, kindly share them with us in the comments. Bye for now.